Starting off the morning with this archway sort of rose bush. Guess you call it a climbing rose, really. Sticking up a bit. I'm going to make it much neater. There we go, all done. First job of the day, all on the trailer. Right, so I'm gonna get in here and this wisteria was done not that long ago. Anyone who knows about wisteria, it is a good growing vine. Oh my god. Feels like only yesterday I did it, right down to nothing. So today I'm just going to be trimming the walkway so that it can actually go through it. And I'll come back here after I use these hand shears and just trim it. Second job of the day. Gonna whip this thing. Put it down while the neighbour went past. Got yeah, there's a fair bit there. That's about 15 metres of grass. pretty long. Big fire hazard, I better whip a snippet. Someone's got to do it because it's on such a steep slope that you don't really want to be putting the tractor up there. Plus I'll do that little patch there. Get this over here. See most of it from here, but might not be able to see everything. Oh, I see. Halfway there. Yeah. The other half. Now that half. Well, maybe it's a bigger half. It looks like we're on the same place. Trying to go over there. I'm never going to say anything's easy again, ever. There's nothing I'll do easy. Even putting this on can fail. There. That's on. And I'm good to go. Alright, so after about 15 minutes of digging around with Mr. Bird, I'm up to there now. Find a little bit. Thought I might get the last little bit. Battled through. I've done under the fence line too, over the neighbour's fence. Strange how farmers never do their fence lines. They only just use the big machines, but they never get out the whippersnipper. Just use poison and big machines, but no physical labour, like doing along the fence line. As you can see over the neighbour's fence there, that's his fence line, but the whole paddock's mowed and baled. Anyway, no big deal. They're probably only doing what's worth more money to them, really. This video is just about a gardener's life, basically my life. Most people are knocking off work and heading home now, and I'm just about to go and start a 2-hour job. That's just how it is. There's not much I can do about it, and I'm sneezing pollen and crap. I reckon it's fine dust off grass at the moment. But anyway, a gardener's life, eh? When most people are finishing their 8-hour shift, I'm just preparing for another 2. Unless they're doing overtime, but I don't get paid overtime. I just got to do what I got to do.